Power presses. Types, applications, and benefits. Everything you need to know about power presses. Principle of power presses. Types of power presses. Applications, benefits, and safety of power presses. And much more. Chapter 1. Understanding the mechanics of power presses. Defining a power press. Designs of power presses. Hydraulic power press configuration. Cylinder. Reservoir. Valve. Hydraulic pump. Press plates. Hoses. Ram. Bed. Servo press configuration. Servo motor. Actuator. Controller. Sensors. Human-machine interface. Mechanical power press design. Ram. Flywheel. Clutch. Brakes. Base. Drive and control mechanisms. Bolster plate. The functioning of a power press. Calculating power press size. Fundamentals for choosing a power press. Processing and operating method selection. Method and technique. Production levels. Materials characteristics. Handling of materials and waste. Die buffer frequency evaluation. Punching capacity suitability. Pressure and stroke calculation. Eccentric load management. Effective buffer capacity calculation. Product dimensional accuracy. Understanding punch functions thoroughly. Spec investigation. Reliability and maintenance of punch. Safety protocols. Vibration and noise control. Frequently asked questions. What are the main types of power press frames, and why does frame type matter? How do hydraulic and servo motor power presses differ from mechanical presses? Which applications benefit most from power presses? What factors should be considered when selecting a power press for industrial use? How is operator safety ensured when working with power presses? Why are C-frame power presses often used for metal fabrication in local workshops? Chapter 2. What are the different types of power presses? C-frame power press. H-frame or straight frame power press. Hybrid frame or ring frame power press. H-frames, straight side frames with tie rods. Drive mechanism types for power presses. Eccentric gear crank mechanism. Crankshaft mechanism. Eccentric shaft crank mechanism. Job operation basis, mechanisms and applications. Blanking power press. High-speed stamping power press. Stamping power press. Chapter 3. What are the applications, benefits, and safety considerations of power presses? Applications of power presses. Assembly. Deep draw. Coining. Forming. Embossing. Piercing. Trimming. Press fitting. Advantages of power presses. The versatility of power presses offers several advantages. Disadvantages of power presses. Overheating. Higher power consumption. Safety measures of power presses. Maintenance of power presses. Hazards associated with power presses. Essential point of operation safeguards for power presses include Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right power press manufacturers for your needs.